If you have a Whoop, you might notice that sometimes it doesn't synchronize the data properly with your phone or with your app. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that issue so your Whoop finally updates or synchronizes all your data with the phone. Because something I hate is when it goes 3-4 hours and my data is just gone. So let me teach you how to fix that. Now, we're mainly going to be using the app for fixing this issue. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your dashboard here. And now let me tell you this, guys, if your data is missing for multiple hours, like right here, you might have an empty space. There's a big chance that that data you won't be able to get back. There's a big chance that data is completely gone, okay? And it has happened to me 1 or 2 times throughout, I don't know how long I've had the Whoop, 6 months that I've had it. It has happened 1 or 2 times, and unfortunately, you won't be able to get that. But some other times, what will happen is that your Whoop is out of sync, and it has been out of sync for multiple hours, but you could still get that data back. And the way you're gonna do is first, you're gonna head over to the top right here, where your Whoop appears. And also, don't mind my cool name for my Whoop. What you want to do is go over to Advanced right here. Right here on Advanced, the first thing we're going to do is run a firmware check. So go ahead and press where it says firmware check. And that should check if there's an update for your band. Now, most of the times, you won't have an update because if there is an update, it usually updates automatically or it prompts you every time you open the app. But if there was an update, just make sure you update it. Now, if that doesn't work, if that doesn't fix it for you, then the next step will be to reboot your device. This will restart the Whoop band. Actually, this one seems to work most of the time for me. It is extremely important though that you make sure that your internet is up and working. And once you make sure your internet is working on your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. I've seen it a lot of the time, like with my cousin, he also has a Whoop. And sometimes he's complaining to me because his Whoop is out of sync. I go on his phone and I see that his Bluetooth is off. For whatever reason, maybe he went on airplane mode or he did something when he turned off the Bluetooth. Just make sure you enable your Bluetooth and you pair your Whoop again. Now, if you rebooted your device, you did your firmware check and it's still not working, then we're going to go through a repairing process. So we're going to do an unpaired device, which will unpair our Whoop. And then once the Whoop is completely unpaired, we're going to pair it back. Now, don't worry, that won't delete your data. That's just the last resort that we're going to do to make sure we actually synchronize our Whoop with our phone. So simply unpair it and then go through the pairing process. It's real simple, real straightforward, and actually guides you step by step once you're doing it through the app on how to pair your Whoop through your phone. And that should fix it for most of you guys. Now, again, if that's still not working, just make sure that you have internet on your network. Make sure that your network frequency is compatible with your Whoop device. Sometimes you might have issues if you have a 2G or 5G network. So if you have both, just go ahead and try them both out and see which one works for you. And there you guys have it. That's how to fix the synchronizing issue with the Whoop on the phone. Let me know if this video helped you down in the comments. And if it did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.